question of low libido during weight loss, fasting and dieting.
This is something a lot of people want to know about, but are too embarrassed to ask. We explore. Low libido can be an issue for many people. It's not always straightforward, and it's not always problematic either.
The question of low libido during weight loss, fasting and dieting. On the one hand, you may be physically tired because of the increased physical activity.
On the other hand, the lower cortisol and higher testosterone you get on our program can actually give you an improvement in your libido. We find that everybody responds differently. Sometimes you might be fatigued from training a few days in a row and then you need a day off to rest.
The two main things that can drag your libido right down are lack of recovery and low carb intake. On our program, we try and stay under 60 grams of net carbs in the day,
which is not extremely low carbs in comparison to something like keto.
If you feel like you suffer from low libido, you can potentially increase your carb intake, maybe by about 30 grams or so.
However, this comes at the expense of progress. So if you do that, it will take longer to achieve your goals.
The other thing you can and should do is focus heavily on recovery.
Better sleep and less stress are more likely to play a bigger role in making sure your sex drive is where it should be.
That's our quick tip for today. As always, we would love to hear what you think.
So make sure you leave us a comment. Until next time, stay Bellyproof!